Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about reduce method in Stream API. So reduce is basically used to perform aggregation operations such as summing numbers to sum the numbers, or to concatenate the strings, or to find the minimum and maximum value. Now we will see how to find the minimum and maximum value using a Stream API reduce method. So this is my list here, my list, and inside this list I have these three values 10, 20 and 30. And now we will find the maximum and minimum value present inside our list using reduce method. First thing, I will make use of this my list, then the stream, then we will have reduce, and inside this reduce we need to provide our logic. Now what I want to do, I want to find the maximum element here. So first I will take two arguments again, n1 comma n2, and then I will provide here a arrow token, and now I will provide here a ternary operator. So here we will check the condition. If n1 is greater than n2, then in that case I want to store the value of n1, because if n1 is greater, then it means it is a maximum element, right? If n1 is less than that, then I need to get the value of n2. So this is my logic here, and there is no error here, right? So this statement will work. So how it will work? First, it will take two numbers here, 10 and 20. So it will be stored in n1 and n2. Then it will compare if n1 is greater than n2, and accordingly it will have the maximum element stored. But we want to store this into a variable because it will return a single result, as reduce will return a single result. So it will return an integer, right? But we have seen in the previous video, it does not return integer, it returns a optional integer. We will cover the optional in the upcoming videos. So if I say here int, let's say max, so it will give you an error. The error is cannot convert from optional integer to int. So to reduce this error, what we need to do, we need to provide an initial value. So I will provide here an initial value. Let's say 0. 0 is my initial value here. And then the error is resolved, and then I will print here sysout max. What is the maximum element present here? It's 30, right? So we should get the output as 30. So see, I am getting here 30. Now we want to find the minimum value present inside our list. So here what we need to do, we need to change the logic. If n1 is less than n2, then in that case we want n1, otherwise we will want n2. But here we have provided the initial value at 0. So always the minimum value will be 0, right? Because 0 is the lowest among all the values that are present in our list. So this time we will not pass 0 as our initial value. What we will pass here? We will pass the maximum value that is available inside this class called integer. So I will say integer dot, and then we can provide here a max value. So this will be the maximum value which will be there available as an initial, and then it will compare with all the values that are present inside our list. And if I save this code and run now, so this time we will get the minimum value which is present as n. Similarly, when you want to compare, or when you want to find the maximum value, then what you can do, you can have your integer or initial value as a minimum value present. So I can say your minimum value. So in this case I will get the output as 30.